Question 18th. Outline the principle of refining of metals by the following methods. First part, zone refining. Second part, vapor phase refining. Solution. Zone refining. This method is used when very high degree of purity is required, for example Zn, Ga, Si, Ge, etc. This method is used when impurities have lower melting point than pure metal. Second part, vapor phase refining. In this method, solid is converted into vapor phase by chemical reaction, and when these vapors are heated at high temperature, again metal is obtained. One of the process are Mond's process. This process is used for purification of Ni. In this process, volatile NiCO4 is formed. Impure Ni plus 4CO, when heated, volatile NiCO4 is formed, which again is heated to get pure Ni plus 4CO. Second vapor phase refining method is Van Arkel process. Used for Zr and Ti, they form their volatile iodide. Zr, impure Zr or Ti plus 2I2 when heated, Zr(I4) plus Ti(L4) volatile are formed. When volatile Zr(I4) or Ti(L4) are again heated, then pure Zr or Ti plus 2I2 is obtained.